Welcome to Knowledge Sessions by TMSL. In this session, we will be discussing the whole controversy of applicability of GST on directors' remuneration emerged due to the notification number 13/2017. In entry number 6 of notification number 13/2017 of Central Tax dated 20th June 2017, under section 9(3) states that consideration paid to the director by the company will have applicability of GST under reverse charge mechanism. There have been 3 AAR rulings in this regards recently. AAR of Karnataka in case of Messrs. Alkan Engineering India Private Limited, AAR of Rajasthan in case of Messrs. Claycraft India Private Limited. Both of the above cases, the advance authority held that the remuneration paid to the director will be applicable for GST under reverse charge mechanism. In case of AR of Anil Kumar Agarwal, the AR authority held that GST will not be applicable in case the director is an employee of the company and there is an employee-employer relationship. He being an executive director, GST will not be applicable under RCM. This has created a lot of confusion among companies and industries. Finally, CBIC came up with a clarification resolving the issues created by the advance authorities and explaining the treatment of GST applicability on directors' remuneration. Here we will explain the principles laid by the circular 140/10/2020 dated 10 June 2020 in 3 scenarios. The first scenario, the director is not an employee of the company. In this case, the remuneration will be applicable to GST and the company will have to pay the GST on reverse charge mechanism. The second scenario, the director is an employee of the company. In this case, the consideration paid to the director under salaries applicable to TDS under section 192 of the Income Tax Act will not be applicable for GST under reverse charge mechanism and the company is not required to pay GST under this. The third scenario, the director is an employee of the company and receives remuneration even otherwise. Remuneration declared separately other than the salary for which TDS is deducted under section 194J for professional services rendered will be applicable under GST and RCM will be applicable on the same. The part of salary paid to the employee on which TDS has been deducted under section 182 of the Income Tax Act will not have applicability of GST and thus there will be no RCM applicability on the same. In my view, the above is a very appreciated move by the legislature to resolve the confusion created by the various authorities. Also, this helps to understand the interplay between the two laws, that is the GST Act and the Income Tax Act. The GST team of every company will have to work closely with the income tax / the payroll team and synchronize the organization's director's salary structure. We could discuss more on the above mentioned scenarios or any different situation as per your business. Please reach out to us on the contact details mentioned on the screen. Thank you, Sagar Shah.